the Trump administration is considering suspending a writ of habeas corpus, a move that has been taken only 4 times in U.S. history, most notably during the Civil War. A top aide to U.S. President Donald Trump says the president's administration is actively looking at suspending a person's right to challenge their detention in court. White House Deputy Chief of Staff Stephen Miller told reporters on Friday that the U.S. Constitution allows for the suspension of legal freedoms in times of rebellion or invasion. His comments come as the justices sought to challenge some of the Trump administration's recent arrests in an effort to combat illegal immigration, as well as the removal of dissident foreign students. A lot of it depends on whether the courts are doing the right thing or not. There are several civil cases pending against the Trump administration's deportation of undocumented immigrants on a habeas corpus basis, Miller said. Most recently, a federal judge ordered the release of a Turkish university student who was detained for 6 weeks after writing an article critical of Israel. Last week, another judge ordered the release of a Columbia University student who had been detained for defending Palestinians, following a habeas corpus petition. Other judges, however, have sided with the Trump administration in such disputes, calling the writ of habeas corpus a privilege. Miller said Congress has already passed a law stripping judicial courts of jurisdiction over immigration cases. Legal experts and critics have questioned his interpretation of U.S. law. Congress has the authority to suspend a writ of habeas corpus, not Stephen Miller, not the president. Mark Elias, a lawyer for the Democratic Party, told the MSNBC one of Trump's major campaign pledges was to deport millions of immigrants from the United States, and his administration has sought various means to speed up deportations since returning to the White House. In March, a federal injunction prevented the Trump administration from using a centuries-old wartime law to justify deporting more than 200 Venezuelans, even though flights continued, but deportations delayed detentions while one person was mistakenly deported.